Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study till late night and wake up early. It's a common challenge, but with the right approach, you can master both. We'll cover setting up your environment, optimizing your study time, and creating a morning routine that sticks. Remember, consistency is key, and even small adjustments can make a big difference in your productivity and well-being. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this balance. When studying late, it's crucial to maximize your efficiency. Break down your study material into manageable chunks, perhaps focusing on one or two key subjects. Take a 5 to 10 minute break every hour to stretch or grab a healthy snack. This helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Also, ensure your study space is well lit and comfortable to keep your energy levels up during those extended hours. Waking up early after a late night requires a strategic approach. Try setting your alarm for 6 to 7 hours after you plan to sleep, ensuring adequate rest. Place your alarm across the room so you have to physically get up to turn it off. Once awake, open your curtains to let in natural light, signaling to your body that it's morning. A glass of water can also kickstart your metabolism and help you feel more alert. To make this routine sustainable, consistency is paramount. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, even if you've studied late. On days you don't study late, still try to wake up around your target time. This helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Track your progress and celebrate small victories. If you find yourself struggling, don't be afraid to tweak your schedule slightly until it feels right for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.